Hey guys! This is Ella with EK Essentials and welcome to our YouTube channel. Sa videong ito, ipapakita natin kung paano maglagay ng hard wax sa ating balat. So, let's start! Okay. So, firstly, dapat na-prepare na natin yung balat natin before waxing. So, isa sa mga best practices is to exfoliate your skin at least 24 hours or a day before ka mag-wax. So, for example, nakaset ka na mag-wax ka bukas, make sure to exfoliate your skin today para ma-prepare natin at mas maging effective yung pag-wax natin bukas. Okay. Second, make sure na nasa tamang consistency yung ating wax para mas madali siyang i-apply sa balat. Make sure it's spreadable enough. Honey-like consistency is the best consistency of wax and it's the suggested consistency of wax. So, make sure na nakuha natin yung tamang consistency ng wax para mas madali na siyang i-apply sa balat. Meron tayong video tungkol sa tamang consistency ng wax. Make sure to watch it before you do any waxing para mas maging efficient at mas effective yung ating pag-wax. Third point, kailangan na tamang direction yung pag-apply natin ng wax. Paano nga ba yung tamang direction? Katulad ng paulit-ulit nating sinasabi sa mga videos natin, yung pag-apply po ng wax is sa direction ng hair growth natin. So, for example, ang direction ng hair growth natin dito ay pataas. So, i-apply natin yung wax natin pataas din. And kung ipipeel off naman natin siya opposite direction, which means kung in-apply natin siya pataas, ipipeel off natin siya pababa. Okay? And fourth, removing the wax quickly. Kasi, minsan yung iba, sa sobrang kakaba-kaba sila, ang ginagawa nila, pagkalagay nila ng wax, dahan-dahan nilang tinatanggal, which is very wrong. Kailangan po, mabilis natin siyang tatanggalin sa balat natin. Kasi may tendency na mag-break yung ating hair. So, kung mabilisan natin siyang tatanggalin, mas malaki yung chance na maisama natin yung root ng hair natin sa pag-pull off. In contrary sa pagdahan-dahan nating tinatanggal, may possibility na yung nasa surface lang ng hair yung matatanggal, which is hindi siya masyadong maganda yung kakalabasan. So, make sure na mabilis ang sakit lang, tanggal na natin kagad yung wax after applying it. And fourth, always use post-wax products para mas maalagaan natin yung ating skin after waxing. So, hindi naman siya ganun kataas sa maintenance. So, as long as na meron kang pang exfoliate ng skin mo, once you enter waxing kasi, it's very essential that you exfoliate often. Hindi naman kailangan araw-araw, pero at least ma-exfoliate mo siya before and after waxing para mas ma-prevent natin yung ingrown hair at saka ma-remove natin yung dead skin natin. Okay? So, ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung quick demo kung paano nga ba i-apply ang ating hard wax sa balat. So, I have here my wax warmer. Nag-melt na rin ako ng wax beans and pinalamig ko na rin siya. So, yung consistency na hinahanap natin is like a honey. So, dapat para siyang honey. Hindi siya masyadong thick or hindi siya masyadong malamig na parang bubble gum yung texture niya. At hindi rin siya sobrang runny na parang tubig, sobrang liquidy para hindi siya masyadong mainit sa balat. So, if flip lang natin siya hanggang sa makuha ko yung right amount na gusto ko. Okay, so, konti lang kasi sa wrist ko lang naman i-test. And then, para makita nyo. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, tamang consistency na video. ililink na lang namin. I-click nyo doon, panoorin nyo. Nandun yung full explanation natin. Okay. So, kailangan ko lang ng konting-konti kasi demo lang naman to. In the future videos, maglalabas tayo ng ibang waxing demo katulad nung sa legs. We also have underarm waxing, naka-upload na rin dito. Kung hindi nyo pa nakita, panoorin nyo. Okay. So, our first point is to make sure na nasa tamang consistency na yung ating wax. Hindi siya sobrang init, hindi siya sobrang lamig. And medyo lumalamig na siya. So, start na tayo maglagay. Okay, na-prep ko na rin yung skin ko. And kung meron kayong loose powder, maglagay rin to eliminate excess oil and moisture. And also, apply it in the direction of your hair growth. Okay, so for example, the direction of my hair growth is going away from me. Ganyan. And then make sure you seal the edges. Okay. Seal the edges means kung hindi mo siya puputulin dito lang, so you have to seal it. Lagyan lang natin ng lip shape dito. Okay? Ganyan. So, kung in-apply ko siya pag ganon, ipupull ko naman siya pag pa-opposite. Okay? So, hindi siya dahan-dahan kasi nga just like I said kanina, magbe-break yung hair natin kapag dahan-dahan nating pinull off. Tsaka, mas napoprolong yung pain kapag idadahan-dahanin natin siya. So, make sure you pull it off right away, quickly. Yan, ganon lang. Okay? So, pwede natin ulitin. Okay. Also, make sure na may pressure yung pag-a-apply natin ng wax. With pressure. Okay? Pressure. And then, seal the edges. Okay, ayan siya. And then, mabilis siyang matuyo. 3 seconds tuyo na siya. So, pwede na natin siyang i-peel off. Sobrang bilis lang niyang i-peel off. So, hindi siya ganun kasakit. Ayan. So, madali siya. Ganyan lang, ah. Tapos, ganun lang. And then, you're done. You're on to your post-wax care. So, ayun guys, sana nakatulong sa inyo ang videong ito, lalong-lalo na sa waxing journey nyo. And also, if you have any suggestions na gusto nyong i-cover namin, please comment them down below and we'll try our best to produce that content. And if you like this video, please hit like. And if you want to stay updated with our future uploads, please subscribe to this channel and share it to your friends. If you want to purchase our waxing kit, complete set waxing kit, we have wax warmer, available in black, purple, and pink. Meron din tayong applicator sticks na 10 pieces, and we also have 2 packs of 100 grams pink wax beans. Complete set na siya. You can purchase them. It is available on our Lazada and Shopee store. Ililink na lang din namin below so you can check it out. You can just try it and then let us know how it goes. Okay? And for the meantime, I gotta go. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.